In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a 404 page in Framer. Whether you're designing a sleek new website or sprucing up an existing one, having a functional 404 page is a must. It not only helps with navigation, but it also ensures visitors know they've reached an error rather than a dead end when a page isn't found. So let's dive into the process. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Framer account and navigate over to your page editor. You'll want to have everything set up there to make the process as smooth as possible. Once you're in the page editor, pay close attention to the left side of your screen where you will find the Pages section. This is your workspace for creating and organizing different pages on your website. Now here's where the magic begins. Click on the plus sign next to Pages. This is your gateway to creating a new page. After you click the plus sign, select New Page. It's a good idea to name this page something intuitive, like 404, to keep things organized and easily accessible in the future. If you already have a 404 draft or sample, that's great. You can use it as a reference. But for now, I'll guide you through creating one from scratch using a simple design approach. Imagine your 404 page as a part of your brand's personality. It's an opportunity to be creative. To add the classic 404 text to your page, you'll need to click on the Text tool. This can be found at the top left of your screen. Once you've clicked it, you're ready to set the tone for your message. Type in 404 boldly, perhaps accompanied by a brief, friendly error message like, "Oops, page not found." This not only informs, but also adds a personal touch that prevents users from feeling lost. After you've designed your page to perfection, it's time to make it live. Publishing is what transforms your creation from the editing suite to the real world. Go ahead and hit that publish button, and just like that, your 404 page is set up and ready to enhance the user experience of your website. And there you have it. That's how you set a 404 page in Framer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such insightful guides. By ensuring your